we are going to use the pipette for accurate measuring of volume. For volumetric analysis of titration, we do need to measure our volume like more accurately. So we are using either burette or pipette. We have two types of pipette. I'm holding one type that is called volumetric pipette. In volumetric pipette, we do have a number like expressed in milliliter. It says like 10 milliliter here. So we have 10 milliliter, and that's what it says. That's the volume for this pipette. And how much liquid is going to make the 10 milliliter? If I fill up the pipette up to the index line and the meniscus of the liquid is aligned with the index line, then we have 10 milliliter exactly. I'm using this pipette pump. It has the wheel that I can wheel down, rotate the wheel down or up for when I want to make the liquid to go up into the pipette, I would rotate the wheel down. So I place the tip of the pipette in the liquid and I insert the end of the pipette into the pipette pump. I place the tip of the pipette inside the liquid, not touching the bottom of the beaker and not holding too high up to get air in there. So inside the liquid. I rotate the wheel down to pump the liquid into the pipette. And I do that slowly to get the liquid up, passing the index line, because I want to get it exactly at the index line. If I put too much, I can get some of it out. But if I put too little, I can't make it to the line. So if I have a little bit higher, it's okay. Then slowly, I transfer some of this liquid out. Just maybe a drop or two by rotating the wheel in opposite direction, meaning that up. And I will make it only just transfer enough to get the meniscus aligned with the index line. Now that we have it aligned with the index line, that means I have exactly 10 milliliter of the liquid in there. Okay. So I have it aligned with the 10 milliliter or the index line aligned with the liquid. Now I can transfer the sample into a Erlenmeyer flask to be used for titration. So I would rotate the wheel up and get the liquid out completely. I touch the tip of the pipette to the inside of the glass wall to get the last drop out. And one thing I have to be careful with this pipette pump, if I have liquid inside the pipette and I push this knob, it gets the liquid also out. That's another way of getting the liquid out. The only thing I have to be careful is that while I'm wheeling down to get the liquid up, I should not touch at the same time, because then I would confuse the liquid. Should it go up because I'm wheeling down, or should it go out when I'm pushing this knob? So I just have to be careful of not touching this knob while I'm rotating the wheel down, which I want to make the liquid to go into the pipette. That was just one point of working with this type of pipette pump. Thank you.